T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff. Go Falcon, go EchoStar 25.
Vehicle is pushing downrange.
M1D chamber pressures are nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. And we're currently throttling down the M1D engines on the booster to prepare it for max Q, which is the point of maximum aerodynamic
Power and
stresses.
telemetry nominal.
Which is the point of maximum aerodynamic stresses on the vehicle. Now, max Q is reached when the air density of the atmosphere decreases faster than the increasing speed of the rocket.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
We should be hearing that call out for max Q in just a few moments from now.
Max Q.
And there's that call out for max Q. Now from here on, even though velocity is rapidly increasing, the atmospheric density is decreasing, resulting in lesser dynamic loads on Falcon 9. And lasting several minutes will propel the second stage and our payload to orbit. After that, the fairings will jettison from the second stage, as they're no longer needed to protect the payload once it's in space. Now we should be hearing the start of the sequence of events in just about 10 seconds from now.
Miko.
Stage separation confirmed.
I'm back, startup.
And there you heard and saw those first three events that happened back to back, which were main engine cutoff, and then stage separation, and finally second engine start 1. Now this first burn of the MVAC engine is set to last about 5.5 minutes. And coming up in just a few moments, we'll see the deployment of the payload fairings.
Fairing separation confirmed.
And there you heard confirmation of fairing deploy. Now both of the fairing halves will fall back to Earth and make soft water landings, and then be recovered by our recovery vessel, Doug.
Stage 1 FTSS safed. Stage 1 engine burn startup.
And there's that confirmation of the entry burn on the Falcon 9 first stage. And you can see those graphics lit up as the engines did on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. Now this burn will last for about 30 seconds and again is slowing down the vehicle in preparation for its final burn and landing before touchdown on our drone ship, A Shortfall of Gravitas.
Stage 1 entry burn shutdown.
And there's conclusion of the entry burn on the Falcon 9 first stage. Now, as I mentioned earlier, we will be attempting to recover this booster with our drone ship, A Shortfall of Gravitas, currently stationed in the Atlantic Ocean.
Stage 2 is in terminal guidance.
And good news there that Stage 2 is in terminal guidance. Now, the next major milestone coming up in just about 30 seconds from now will be second engine cutoff 1, or SECO 1, indicating shutdown of the MVAC engine on the second stage. And this will be completion of the first of 2 burns by the MVAC engine to get the vehicle into the proper orbit for payload deployment. We should be hearing that call.
Stage 2 FTS is safed.
And the good news there, we should be hearing that call out for SECO 1 in just a few
Stage
moments.
1 transonic.
I'm back, shutdown.
And there we got confirmation of SECO 1 of the MVAC engine on the second stage.
Nominal orbit insertion.
And there's our confirmation of good orbit. Now coming up in just a few moments, we should be hearing that. And there's that landing burn of the
Stage
Falcon
1
9.
landing burn startup.
First stage. Now, as that burn happens, you'll see a drastic decrease in the speed and altitude of the vehicle.
Stage 1 landing leg deployed. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
And fantastic news there, as you saw and heard, successful first stage landing of our Falcon 9 booster. Now, as a reminder, this booster flew for its 14th time tonight. Now, while the booster has completed its part of the mission, payload deployment is expected at around the T+32.5 minute mark.
Payload separation confirmed.
And as you heard, successful deployment of the EchoStar XXV satellite from the Falcon 9 second stage. And we've got an amazing view on our screen right now as the satellite separates away. Now, that'll be bringing us to the end of our live mission coverage. We would like to thank EchoStar for entrusting us with their spacecraft.